Human body sound name.
Yawn.
Yawn. I yawn when I am tired.
Cough.
Cough. I cough when my throat hurts.
Sneeze.
Sneeze. I sneeze because of dust.
Snore.
Snore. He snores when he sleeps.
Hiccup.
Hiccup. I have hiccups after eating.
Choke.
Choke. Be careful not to choke on food.
Belch.
Belch. He belches after drinking soda.
Sigh.
Sigh. She sighs when she is tired.
Burp.
Burp. The baby burps after milk.
Whistle.
Whistle. He whistles a happy tune.
Grumble.
Grumble. My stomach grumbles when I am hungry.
Sputter.
Sputter. The baby sputters while drinking.
Mutter.
Mutter. He mutters under his breath.
Sob.
Sob. She sobs when she is very sad.
Whimper.
Whimper. The dog whimpers softly.
Whine.
Whine. The child whines for candy.
Chatter.
Chatter. My teeth chatter when I am cold.
Gasp.
Gasp. She gasps in surprise.
Fart.
Fart. The baby farts loudly.
Groan.
Groan. He groans in pain.
Grunt.
Grunt. He grunts while lifting a box.
Wheeze.
Wheeze. He wheezes when breathing.
Gag.
Gag. The bad smell makes me gag.
Moan.
Moan. She moans in discomfort. Well done! You have learned body sounds vocabulary in English. Listen carefully, repeat the words, and notice when these sounds happen in real life. Understanding sounds helps you describe feelings and actions better in English. See you in the next lesson.